Hello students, welcome to my channel English All New Academy. Today we are going to learn about two figures of speech, simile and metaphor. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for many more videos. Let's begin with simile. Let's try to understand the definition of simile. Simile means it's a comparison between two things of different kinds having one feature in common. Comparison is made by using words like as, as, so as, like, then, and such words which bring out comparison. Let's try to frame poetical lines for simile. Plants, like my best friends, console me in adverse trends. So here we can see that comparison is made between plants and best friends, and here the word like has been used, and the common feature is that both plants and best friends, they help us in adverse trends. Let's take a few more examples. I have a few students with me, so let's ask a question. Pavan, can you tell me the name of this plant? This
Yes,
one?
yes, ma'am. It is a wild basil.
Very good. It is a wild basil. So let's have the poetical lines for wild basil. The wild basil, like the holy basil, is used in kitchen like the lentil. So here lentil is a kind of pulse that we use. Here the comparison has been made using word like. Wild basil is compared to the holy basil, and they are used like lentil in the kitchen. So again these two plants, they are compared to the lentil. Now let's take one more example of lemongrass. Lemongrass tea, like my well-wisher, energizes me like a health nourisher. So here the comparison has been made between lemongrass tea and well-wisher using the word like, and it energizes me like health nourisher. So the quality of lemongrass has been compared with the health nourisher. So we can see how comparison is made. Let's take a few more examples. Dipen, can you tell me the name of this flower?
Yes, ma'am. It is a rain lily.
Very good. It's a rain lily flower. So let's see how to frame poetical lines using simile. The rain lily is as beautiful as the lotus. We have seen that we can see simile if the words like, as, or so as are used. Here, rain lily has been compared with the lotus using words as. In this example, we can see that the leaves of this plant, they are like velvet, and so this leaf is so soft as velvet. The quality of softness of the leaf is compared with the velvet. Then we can see here one more example of long pepper. Long pepper, like a spice, adds to the flavor nice. So here we can see that long pepper is compared to a spice using the word like. I hope you have understood simile. Let's take another figure of speech, which is metaphor. It is implied comparison between two unlike objects. Implied means not explicit. In simile, we can clearly identify comparison between two objects because the words like, so as are used. But here in metaphor, There is comparison but not explicit. Here we need to remember that the words like as, so as, then, and like are not used for comparison. These words are not used in metaphor, but these words are used in simile. Now let's try to understand with examples how the comparison which is implied makes the figure of speech metaphor. Here are some examples. Because I always feel that plants are our best friends. So let's take the poetical lines. Plants are my best friends that console me in adverse trends. Here we can clearly see that plants are compared to my best friends, but the word like or as are not used. So here this is the difference between metaphor and simile. Here we can see that the word like is used. Here it isn't used. Let's take one more example of metaphor. My plants are my health booster proteins that energize me with divine vitamins. So here we can see that plants are compared to the health booster proteins and they energize me with divine vitamins. So here, though like word has not been used, we can see that there is comparison between plants and proteins. Let's have an example of rain lily. The rain lily is a lotus mini. Looks beautiful with a raindrop guinea. Here we can see that there is implied comparison between rain lily and lotus. Rain lily flower is compared to the lotus flower, and the raindrop that we can see here on the flower, it's compared with guinea, which is a gold coin. Here we can clearly see the difference between simile and metaphor. In simile, rain lily has been compared to the lotus but using the words as. In metaphor, you can see that the rain lily is a lotus mini. Direct comparison has not been made. It is called implied comparison. So this is the difference between simile and metaphor. I hope you have understood both the figures of speech. So friends, today we have learned two figures of speech. In my videos, there are all the figures of speech which are discussed in very easy way, and I have come up with new innovative techniques. I request you to watch all the videos for in-depth understanding about all the literary aspects. I request you to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for many more videos. I hope you like this video and please like the video. Thank you for watching the video.